Like, you can't make this shit up.
No.
Like, and this was the 50s. So I do, like I say, I know it's not up to date intel on what's going on down there, but it's like the speculation about Antarctica has been rampant for half a century, if not longer at this point. Actually, probably coming up on close to a century.
Well, that's the coal. Now, there's evidence of many other minerals. We're pretty sure there's oil. Now, that coal shows the bottom of the world.
Oil.
Now, by far the coldest spot in the world. Where that coal is gets 100 below zero in the winter.
You don't
It was
think?
once tropical. So we think there's oil there, and there's evidence
They still give you
of the uranium.
Is it any secret? Is there uranium there? That would be the only thing that would be practical to actually go after, I suppose. Everything else would be economically unfeasible, wouldn't it?
Well, as we recklessly expend our resources, the time will come when we'll have to go after that stuff there.
Yeah, plan ahead, Dick.
So are we going after that stuff because we're like, or is it just hold a treaty on that? That way, if everything else fails, like they predicted it would a dozen times over since then, you got a stash? Is that what you're trying to do here? Like you got a stash? I mean, and of course there's fucking uranium there. There's uranium everywhere.
Yeah.
Like it falls from the sky. Like you can find it in most surface dirt on this planet. In, you know, granted it's in minute, like extremely minute quantities, but you can still find it.
With the land there in the mountains, I could see there being like not big veins, but little pockets of it too, because it's been contained and away from everything for so long.
I could see that, and you know, the way the magnetic field on the planet is, it tends to pull shit like that into those areas. And so, I mean, I get that. I'm not disputing that there isn't some kind of stuff there, and I'm sure there is oil, and I'm sure there is coal, and I'm sure there's all sorts of useful shit there. But why aren't we doing anything with it? Why are we just letting it happen? Like that doesn't make sense.
I don't know. That's part of why, like, the alien conspiracies and like the idea that that's a meeting point or a docking spot for aliens and shit. Normally I'd be like, well, that's kind of crazy, but
that and all the whistleblowers that have come out and talked about shit like the ice cube neutrino detector and its other abilities.
Yeah. So I give a little bit more credence to those now because I don't know, and they won't tell me anything, which makes me hyper suspicious.
Yeah, because the government's never lied to any of us ever.
People say, "Show me proof," and I'm like, "Well, that's the point." I mean, we do have receipts here in general, but like, it's frustrating sometimes because, like, yeah, you want proof of a secret cover up to hide shit in Antarctica. Of course, I sound like a raving lunatic.
Right. Yeah, it leads into it perfectly.